5 by 4 is 20. 1 by 4 is 0.4. The answer is 204. 6 by 6 is 36. 5 by 6 is 30. The answer is 390. 1 by 2 is 0.2. 4 by 2 is 8. The answer is 28. 8 by 5 is 40. 2 by 5 is 10. The answer is 410. 4 by 4 is 16. 6 by 4 is 24. The answer is 184. 7 by 7 is 49. 4 by 7 is 28. The answer is 518. 7 by 7 is 49. 4 by 7 is 28. The answer is 518. 3 by 6 is 18. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 192. 7 by 7 is 49. 7 by 7 is 49. The answer is 539. 2 by 8 is 16. 6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 208. 7 by 6 is 42. 5 by 6 is 30. The answer is 450. 3 by 3 is 9. 1 by 3 is 0.3. The answer is 93. 3 by 5 is 15. 7 by 5 is 35. The answer is 185. 5 by 7 is 35. 5 by 7 is 35. The answer is 385. 7 by 6 is 42. 6 by 6 is 36. The answer is 456.